I wanted to create a video to help you with setting up word problems. That is usually the place where students struggle the most. So let's take a look at first the 5 different types of word problems that we have seen so far in algebra. We've seen basic word problems, consecutive integer word problems, perimeter word problems, Pythagorean theorem word problems, and coin word problems. Let's take a look at how each of these 5 different types of word problems are set up. Start with basic. Basic word problems are pretty basic, but when you read them, they seem pretty complicated. It helps you to identify what the variable is that you're looking for. So, my suggestion with the basic word problems is create x equals something. You might have to write a couple more, but you always just want to write x equals something. Coin word problems. To help with the coin word problem, make a table. And in this table, we always include the values of each of the coins and the quantities. Remember, something will always be x. Pythagorean theorem word problems, you will have to use the Pythagorean theorem. A squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. And of course, this only deals with a right triangle. Here's A, there's B, and C is always the hypotenuse. Perimeter word problems. Draw a picture. Remember, one of the side lengths should always be x, so that can help you find the other 2 missing side lengths, or 3, or however many, depending on the shape. Consecutive integer. I'm going to divide consecutive integer into 2. We have the typical consecutive integers like 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and so on and so forth. And we would set it up as x equals the first integer, x plus 1 equals the second, because in order to get from one to the next, we're just adding 1, and so on and so forth. But we also need to keep in mind if it ever says consecutive even or consecutive odd. And in this case, we're skipping over a number. That's why we count by 2s. So over here, this is even or odd. So I hope that you found this short little video helpful. Please use this to help you with spirals or anytime you need to set up a word problem in algebra. We will talk about more as the year goes on, but these are the 5 main types that we are going to see from Unit 1.